Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your debit card to the Shipt Driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your debit card so that you can actually go ahead and receive payments on it. How do you actually go ahead and add your debit card to the Shipt Driver app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt Driver app. Next, click on the hamburger icon on the top left-hand corner. Then click on your profile on the top left-hand corner again. Afterwards, click on Payment Info. Then underneath Debit Cards, click on Add Card. So this is where you can enter the name on your card, the card number, the expiration date, and the CVC, then click on Save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a debit card to the Shipt Driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.